Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be unboxing the box right behind me. So you already know by the title and the thumbnail, I got a headlight or LED headlight for the R3. Why am I unboxing the headlight? If you're asking that, you're not subscribed, so subscribe. For the guys that have been here for a while, so you already guys know. So this is an exciting time. So I'm super excited to open this box. But let me explain why I got the headlight for those guys who are not subscribed. But let me say this first. Thank you for KTMOTO for sending this out. I'll talk about them a little bit more later on. But let me explain why I have the new headlight in. So why did I get a new headlight? If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. I got motorcycle content, DIYs, motovlogs, pretty much first rides. So a lot of content around motorcycles. So subscribe guys. The reason I'm getting a new headlight is because I was in an incident with my R3. Here's a little clip of what happened if you guys want to see that. But I was heading off to work and I got distracted. So in the garage, I literally, you could be able to see in the video, I was okay, but the wind was knocked out of me. So I was there on the floor for a minute or two. I think maybe a minute. You'll be able to see it in the video. But that's the reason I'm getting a new headlight, because when I was turning, I literally, the front end hit the wall and the headlight was just completely blown out. Here I'll show you the footage of how it looks like right now. The headlight just completely destroyed and it's just in pieces. So hey guys, this video is going to be sponsored by KTMOTO. So I got in contact with the company to see if they want to work together, and they agreed. So they sent me out this headlight. I've been looking at this headlight for quite a while. They have an Amazon store, and the reason I've been looking at this for quite a while is because the headlight looked pretty cool. I wanted to upgrade it later on and to make the bike look pretty much unique and cool. So why not get in contact with the company and see if they want to work together. So, but yeah guys, let me talk about the company a little bit more. They're a company that makes aftermarket headlights for the top makes and models of motorcycles like Kawasaki, Yamaha, Ducati, BMW, even Harley. So if you guys are thinking about upgrading, or if you were in the same situation I am in, that the headlight was, incident that the headlight was broken, check them out. I'll put the information down below and see if they have your headlight in stock. So, but thank you KTMOTO for sponsoring this video. Alright guys, enough of me speaking. Let's get into this unboxing. I'm very excited. I can barely talk right now, but I want to see this demon-eyed headlight. It'll be my first experience with it. You'll be able to see me. Let's get into it guys. Alright guys, here we go. Here's the box. I flipped the paperwork up here, so I'm not going to show you too much up top there, but the box is pretty well wrapped. The only problem was, it looks like the company, the FedEx, made a hole, but it's not too bad. Here's the year, Yamaha R3 2015, 2018, V2, this is the version 2. King Tech, KT, that's the company. But it looks like it's pretty well wrapped, so let me start cutting it open. All right, that's the first cut. Actually, let me put you guys on a tripod so you'll be able to see me. All right guys, let's got this side open. Better see this, and that's the other side. All right guys, I'm super excited. So let's see what's is in the box. Oh geez, this is pretty well wrapped. There's some really good insulation. I'll show you guys. Alright guys, here how it looks like. It's literally well protected. This is really stiff all the way around, so it won't move. Literally it's in there pretty well, so if this moves, the box moves. And that hole is literally right here, so it didn't touch the headlight. So alright guys, let's see, let's take this out. So there's another package inside, but this is pretty well packaged. Put it to the side. So it looks like there's tools they give you. Looks like a screwdriver, some Allen sets, zip ties, electrical tape. So for the wiring, it's not bad. And a user manual. So I'll look at this when I'm ready to install the headlight. So, but let's get back into the headlight itself. Alrighty. So excited right now, guys. Let's see, how do I open this without damaging anything here? Just get the tape in. Guys, be safe with knives. Whew.
Oh, Hercules, Hercules, Hercules.
Here's the headlight. Oh my god, I'm just looking at the back right now, so. All right. It's pretty well wrapped. I'm trying to be safe not to actually scratch or get near to the headlight, so, all right. Okay, I'm not looking at it yet. I'm not looking at it yet. Ooh, plastic. Should I take it off? This is how it looks like, guys, right now. Ooh. Holy crap. Guys. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Right now, I'll show you a close-up right now. Actually, let me take the plastic off, but you can see the year, same thing on the box. Yamaha R3 2015, 2018, V2, red DEMONEYES. Oh, let me get the plastic off. My first impressions is pretty well built. It's kind of like the same stock as the Yamaha headlight, but it's slightly lighter, I can say, from the last time I took apart the R3 when it was not broken. But it feels a little bit lighter than the stock one. But oh man, guys, look at this front. You can see the dome lights right there for the halo. Oh, I'll show you some close-up, guys. And you can see around the edge here, you see that strip? That's for the turn signal. This has a integrated turn signal. And you got the ballast back here, the LED driver version 5.1. Oh my god, the switch. It's pretty amazing, guys. It's pretty cool. I'm so excited I got this. I can explain. It's like I said, it's been a long time. I've been looking at this and I have it here, guys. Alright guys, let me show you. Here we go. Trying to get the glare out, but you can see that. You can see myself in there. The dome halo light around the edge. You'll be able to see when it's installed, but you can see the turn signal on top there. That's so cool. Then you got the regular bulb. On mine I have an LED light, so it'll look pretty good on here. So then the back. So here's the tools, like I said, the manual, but the back, that looks pretty good. Like everything looks stock except the wires. But so these are the ballast for the LED headlights, the on and off switches, the wiring. So but yeah guys, all this mounts the same way. From here, the stock bolts or screws will fit right there, right over here, and right down here. Let me show you better. So those two, that one and that one. All right guys, so the quality, you'll be able to see with the pictures, the b-roll, everything, looks pretty good. Looks the same as I say stock, but this one is pretty much ABS. Like I said, the OEM feels a little bit heavier, but because that's I believe the reflectors inside, it's made out of glass, so it can reflect the light. On this is because it's all plastic. The light or the halos, it's the only like glass part will be the center, but overall everything else, the back looks stock. The connections, the bulb, the back round plate, the mount looks pretty good. This one feels a little bit more thicker than my previous one that I bought. The other one felt like a little bit more flimsier, but this one looks and feels better. So all right guys, there we go, my first impressions of the demon-eyed headlight for the Yamaha R3. If you want to see that installed, subscribe, give it a like. That lets me know that you want to see that being installed. Comment down below if you guys are interested of getting a headlight like this, or pretty much check the company out to see if they have this headlight for yourself. But yeah guys, I got more links down below if you want to support the channel. Give it a check. I got a big project that I want to do, but it's gonna take me a while to get that done because it's a bigger thing, and I might have to buy it myself or get another company and see if they are interested. But yeah guys, like I said, if you want to support the channel, I got links down below. It will help me out big time to get for the next project. But alright guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.